Alright guys, welcome back to RJ's Fire Alarms. Today I will be showing you my new demo board. So I took the 411 UDACT out of my room, and I decided to build a demo board. So for devices, I got my NBG12LX. Yes, I finally got a replacement key set. I got my 5140 MPS that I got from Eric. The low frequency from Eric. This does not have an EOL resistor, that's why it's in trouble. And then I have my 2WB, which I got from Gavin a long time ago. Same with this, I got this from Gavin a long time ago. So, let's set off some alarms, why don't we? Hey, let's go. And you can see right here. Alarm 1. Okay, let me switch out back to the original device. Alright, y'all. So, I originally spec'd out this demo board with my National Time Commander 3. And this is set on chime setting. This is the only setting I'm going to do today. It's at 15 Candela. So let's re-alarm. And you can notice that there's no trouble because this has the EOL resistor already in the base. And then that's my firelight key. This guy. So just a little heads up. Oh crap. Hold on. My bad. My bad. On the side note, I meant to put this pole station on zone 4. Yeah, zone 4, because zone 2 is permanently programmed as supervisory. And the problem is I ran out of wire and MC cable connectors. I have the MC jacket back here. So for now, I had to drill a hole. Hopefully you can see that. I had to drill a hole in the back, and it's just jumpers, those two pole stations. Here's my little piece of MC cable that I would put in between here, but I don't have the connectors yet. And this is the wrong box. This has 1-inch knockouts, not half-inch. So, yeah. Alright, guys. Well, that will conclude today's video. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to hit that like button. Any comments, questions, leave those down in the comment section down below. Make sure to like, comment, rate, and share. Thank you. Goodbye.